Hello friends, in this video we are going to create an amazing AI animated video. But don't just take what I say, but also see what kind of animated video you will be able to create by the end of this video.
In a small village nestled among the rolling hills, there lived a humble woodcutter named Marcus. Though his days were long and his labor was hard, Marcus never complained. He found joy in the simple things.
Friends, we will create this video in 5 steps. Let's get started with step number 1, generating the story. First of all, we will search Claude.ai in our browser. And we will come to this website. I like this tool and it's better than ChatGPT. So today, we will use this. To generate our story, we write our prompt here, which is, I want to create a moral story video, only narrator narrating the story. Write the complete story for 6-minute long video, which will keep my viewers hooked and engaged in the complete video. Then enter. By doing this, it will generate our complete story within a minute. It has generated the story of the woodcutter, which you must have read in our school sometime or the other. If you do not like your AI generated story, then you can generate another story by writing another prompt. So I will write another prompt, write the different story. By writing this much, it will generate a different story, but I like the first story. So I will continue with the first story. Friends, we will need prompts to generate the videos of our story. So to generate those prompts, we will write another prompt here, which is write a prompt to generate all the cinematic video scenes from the story, The Woodcutter's Wisdom in the sequence. Then enter. After this, you will get all the prompts to generate the videos. Step 2, generating voiceover. Friends, to generate voiceover, we will use 11 labs. After coming to 11 labs, you have to select a voice by clicking here. For example, I will select Marcus. Now we will copy our story and paste it here in this box. Then finally, we will click on generate. Within a few minutes, our audio has been generated, which we will also download by clicking on the download icon. In the same way, friends, you have to generate the audio of the remaining story. Step 3, generating videos. Friends, to generate videos, we will use Hyper.ai, which is completely free at present, and I have also made a detailed video on this. The link is in description and on the I button. In order to utilize this amazing tool, you need to navigate to Hyper.ai and subsequently press on the option labeled Try for free. Following that, we shall duplicate our initial prompt, insert it in the designated area, and choose the preferred style, indeed without a doubt. Subsequently, we shall proceed to hit the Create button. Companions, through this action, you're able to pick various anticipated ratios. And in video duration, you can select 2 seconds or 4 seconds. So I will select 4 seconds here. After waiting for a few minutes, it has generated our video. Similarly, you have to copy all the prompts and just paste them here, and then you will get some such amazing outputs. Now let's move to step number 4, editing and compilation. Friends, now we have audio and video, so let's compile them and create a complete video. For this, today we are going to use CapCut, but you can do this on any video editing software or app. After opening CapCut, I click on a new project. By clicking on this plus icon, we will import all our audio and video files. Then we will click on this plus icon to add our audio to the timeline. After this, friends, we will create our project according to our story and audio. Putting all the video files in sequence in this way is a bit of hard work, but you will be very happy to see your creation in the end. After placing all the videos on the timeline, we will click on transition here, then select your favorite transition from here and click on this plus icon, then OK, then apply to all. And the same transition will be applied to your entire video. Now friends, to apply effects to our video, we click on effect. And after testing a lot of effects, I found luminous to be the best effect. So I place it on the timeline by clicking on the plus icon. And we will extend it till the end of the video. And after that, we will also add a background music to make our video even better. Almost our video is ready, but to make the video more engaging, we will add captions. Step 5, adding auto captions. Friends, for this we will click on text here, then on auto caption. Here in language we will select English. Then finally we will click on generate. And then in a few minutes it has automatically generated the captions. After that we will select our caption from here. After this you can select your desired caption style from here. For example, I will select this style. To change its color we will click on basic and we can change its color. We are going to alter it to a shade of yellow. Now it's looking perfect. So now without any delay we export our video by clicking on export. By the way friends, do you know which tool is best for generating AI video at this time? If not, then definitely click on the video on the left. If you found this video informative, then like it, comment and definitely subscribe to the channel. Be the part of my journey. Thank you so much for watching.